Asd Herbals. Asd Herbals, manufacturer and supplier of nutritional healthy food powder. We produce so many fruits, vegetables, and herbal healthcare food powder, which contain nutrition, protein, and medicinal value. All our products are 100% pure and natural. We can supply as per the demand of any party. Our products are 1. Banana powder, 2. Banana peel powder, 3. Moringa drumstick powder, 4. Moringa leaf powder, 5. Papaya powder, 6. Papaya leaf powder, 7. Papaya seed powder, 8. Lemon powder, 9. Lemon peel powder, 10. Lemon grass powder, 11. Apple powder, 12. Ginger powder, 13. Sushni leaf powder, 14. Spinach leaf powder, 15. Bale eagle marmalose powder, 16. Bale leaf powder, 17. Wheat grass powder, 18. Garlic powder, 19. Orange powder, 20. Orange peel powder, 21. Guava powder, 22. Guava leaf powder, 23. Bamboo leaf powder, 24. Amla powder, 25. Jamun seed powder, 26. Jamun bark powder, 27. Jamun leaf powder, 28. Stevia diabetes powder, 29. Giloy stem powder, 30. Giloy sat powder, 31. Neem leaf powder, 32. Neem bark powder, 33. Arjun chal terminalia bark powder, 34. Bacha powder, 35. Adhatoda justicia powder, 36. Tomato powder, 37. Tamarind powder, 38. Turmeric powder, 39. Cashew powder, 40. Brahmi powder, 41. Mango powder, 42. Mango leaf powder, 43. Insulin diabetes powder, 44. Coconut powder, 45. Carrot powder, 46. Aloe vera powder, 47. Spirulina powder, 48. Mushroom powder, 49. Putna mint powder, 50. Kank seed powder, 51. Collagen powder, 52. Black pepper powder, 53. White pepper powder, 54. Coriander powder, 55. Coriander leaf powder, 56. Tej patta Indian bay leaf powder, 57. Gular powder, 58. Gular leaf powder, 59. Dalchini cinnamon bark powder, 60. Curry leaf powder, 61. Fenugreek leaf powder, 62. Fenugreek seed powder, 63. Kabab chini piper cubeba powder, 64. Ajwain powder, 65. Tulsi leaf holy basil powder, 66. Indian beetle leaf powder, 67. Herbal tricatu powder, 68. Haritki terminalia chabular powder, 69. Behera terminalia bellerica powder, 70. Green cardamom powder, 71. Onion powder, 72. Cucumber powder, 73. Ashwagandha powder, 74. Sarpagandha powder, 75. Black cumin seed powder. Interested party or person may contact Pulak Patel +919337847733 Narayan Behera +918917626529 Email yourasdherbals@gmail.com Website